If you have multiple failing or ailing teeth and wonder what the next step in the process is for you, when you come in for your evaluation, this starts with taking a look at you. Every patient is different. We use the latest technology to do that. Namely, we'll look at you directly. I want to know what it is that you need in terms of your smile and in terms of your function. The next question that we have to answer is your bone availability. Implants need bone in order to succeed. We can assess that with a 3D scan or a CBCT scan, and so we'll take that for you at that time. Once we have an idea of your bone availability and your health as a host, we can put a treatment plan together that restores your smile back to full function and to aesthetics that you're proud of. When we do that, we'll choose the most appropriate material for you. Two of our most common options for you are a snap-in prosthesis, something that you can take in and out, but it's a little bit difficult for you to do so. They have impressive stability. That can start with just 2 implants, really, in your lower arch and maybe 4 in your upper arch, and then something that actually snaps in, much like a snap on a pair of clothing. Our best option when we're restoring your entire smile and attaching a prosthetic to implants is to use something that we call a hybrid. And that's something that can actually be screwed into the implant. My favorite material for that application is zirconia. It's very strong and it's very beautiful. When this material is chosen and your treatment process is complete, you'll have something that stays in your mouth and only we can remove it. And that's when you come in for regular cleanings and exams. Both of these are great options. One is significantly more stable than the other, but both are great. Once you determine the option that you'd like to go with, we'll help you navigate through the finances and find the best solution for you to get the ball rolling. On your surgery day, we have many sedation options to keep you comfortable, and we'll worry about all the details once you're sedated. What I will say is that that's the time when we'll remove any failing or ailing teeth that you do have, or if you've already moved beyond that point and are in dentures currently or are without teeth, and that's the day that your implants go in. Once your smile is in place at the end of surgery day, it's time to heal. Throughout that process of transitioning from your temporary smile to your final restoration, be that a snap-in prosthesis or a hybrid that's screwed in, you'll have lots of input as to the shape and the shade of your teeth, and we're going to help you make sure that they're framed very beautifully in your face so that they look like they grew there. That's a very important priority for us. Rest assured that by making the decision to come to see us at State of the Art Dental Group, that you've made a great decision for your smile, but also for your health. We stand behind our work, and rest assured that we'll be able to work together to give you a smile that you'll be proud of.